Oh gosh, and I need you to write a couple of things down. The cart. Siri, call June.
Mom, this is FaceTime.
Oh gosh.
Hi everyone! After watching the film Missing 2023, one of my biggest takeaways is how technology plays such a huge role in our daily lives. The movie really highlighted tools we already use today, like social media platforms like FaceTime, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and so on and so forth, and even GPS tracking. It shows how powerful these innovations are, not just for convenience, but also for solving problems in real life. But at the same time, the film also reminded me of the challenges that come with modern technology. We saw how easy it is for personal information to be exposed, and how some people can take advantage of the internet to manipulate or deceive others. This reflects a real issue we're facing right now with privacy scams and misinformation online. For me, the future of technology really depends on how we use it. If we continue to be mindful and responsible, I believe it can be save humanity by connecting us, solving global problems, and even protecting lives. But if we misuse it or let it control us, then it could also harm us in ways we don't expect. So Missing was more than just a suspense film for me, it was also a wake-up call. It made me realize that technology is both a tool and a test of how responsible we are humans. Thank you.